In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages in WhatsApp. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, in here, go ahead and head over to the conversation where you want to pin a message. Click on that conversation, and in here, go ahead and long press the message that you want to pin and click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and select pin. Now you can set how long your pin will last. Click on how long you want your pin to last and click on OK, and this pin can be found below the group name or the individual's name on your conversation. Through pinning messages, you can easily find the messages that you need to access anytime, and that's how you can simply pin a message on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.